Hey, welcome back again, viewers and subscribers. So this video is going to be part 2 of Pigeon Peas Cajunus. Cajon belonging to the Fabiaceae family, which has high amounts of protein, vitamin C, and folate, which is good for individuals suffering from anemia and also helps to prevent neural tube defects. Also has high amounts of vitamin C, also, and riboflavin and niacin, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, potassium, which is good for heart health, and also has lots of dietary fiber, which is good for digestive health, to prevent constipation, and also to aid in weight loss. Right, increases your metabolism and your metabolic rate. So I've done further reading, further research into this plant. So this pulse, after gram and area, it's the most important pulse in the world, packed with lots of protein, which is staple food in India. It's found in the semi-arid regions and rain-fed agricultural regions. Not only used as a cover crop, right, but also can be used as green manure, right, and also used to treat to feed animals as a fodder crop, right? The seed pods, the shell, even the leaves can be utilized, right? So it's highly underutilized crop, the most cultivated crop in the world, drought tolerant. Okay, when corn, maize, and other crops fail to stick up to the dry weather, this crop, pigeon peas, Cajunus cajun, can also sustain itself during the dry seasons, right? So it contains very good digestible protein, preferred, right? I have found studies, pharmacological studies, ethnobotanical studies. You have the biological activities, right? You know, these plants contain secondary metabolites which help them to ward off predators, right? And also which protects them from other aspects, right? But these same secondary metabolites can also be used, right, to create pharmaceutical drugs. So there's much more ground need to be covered in terms of getting to that point where pharmaceutical drugs can be developed. There have been clinical studies done also, right? So from the pharmacological activities that I've found, they pigeon peas is antibacterial, antimicrobial, even to treat Streptococcus aureus, right, and all those other gram-positive bac bacteria. Also, it's anti-cancerous. There's one study done on breast cancer, right? So there is Cajenol, which a compound found in the roots, right, which shows anti-cancer activity. It's even hypoglycemic. It's used in Bangladesh to treat diabetes. The leaves used in Bangladesh to treat diabetes. In Chinese traditional medicine, they're the leaves also used as a sedative, as a analgesic, right? And wound healing. The many tribes, many other areas use different parts for different purposes, right? It's also used in Philippines to treat cough, abdominal issues, just cramping, used to stanching of the blood. It's hepatoprotective, protecting the liver. Also used to treat jaundice, colic, constipation.